something shifting just outside. Soft signals in the open air, telling stories everywhere. Gentle whispers through the breeze, hints that move with subtle ease. Holding truths we rarely see, calling out so quietly. Reading the air, feeling what's near, listening closely as changes appear. Moments that rise, signs that unfold, showing the path before it's told. Pressure builds in hidden ways, guiding hearts through coming days. Shadows move and patterns glow, giving clues in ebb and